In this video, you'll learn how to migrate projects from Asana to Notion. By following these steps, you will successfully transfer your project data, allowing for a seamless transition between these two platforms. Begin by opening the Asana app on your desktop browser or mobile device. Ensure that you are logged into the correct Asana account that contains the projects you wish to migrate. Once logged in, select the appropriate workspace where your project is located. This initial preparation is crucial as it ensures you're working with the correct data before proceeding to export any projects. Next, locate and open the project you intend to move from Asana to Notion. Look for the project menu or settings icon situated near the project title. Click on this icon to reveal various options. From this menu, choose the export option, then select the CSV file format. This format is optimal for importing data into Notion. After selecting the CSV option, proceed to download the exported file to your computer. Make sure to keep this file handy for the next step in the migration process. Now, transition to Notion by opening the application. Navigate to the workspace where you want your project to be imported. Once in the desired workspace, create a new page by clicking on the plus icon or the new page button. After creating the page, locate the import option in the menu. Click on this import option, which will prompt you to select a file for upload. Choose the CSV file you previously exported from Asana. Upon selecting the file, Notion will begin the upload process. You may see a progress indicator while the file is being imported. Once the upload is complete, Notion will automatically convert the CSV data into a database, complete with tasks and fields organized appropriately. This automated process saves time and ensures that your data structure is maintained. After the import is finished, take a moment to customize your newly created database. You can adjust views, modify properties, and change layouts to better align with your workflow preferences. This flexibility allows you to tailor the project management experience in Notion to suit your needs. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.